Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial guys, I will make sure to show you how to fix forms not sent in Webflow in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand how to add a form in the first place and what are the good configuration for it. Maybe it's simply a configuration issue, so let's take that as a consideration and start with it. First of all, to add that you need to go to your website and go to the designer mode and click on elements and add a form element. Make sure that it is a form block so you can add it into here. Now, of course, the form has many options that you need to take care of. So here I'm going to show you the settings. So I have the name and have email address. Of course, you can add more settings to it. So simply by going here, and basically you can add other classes if you wanted to. Now let's keep it as name and email address. I'm going to click here on settings. Make sure that your settings are similar to mine. And if you click on show all settings, you'll find here every single thing that you will need. So from here, as you can see, into the settings from the email, we need the email one. So this is the email form. And send to is very important because these are where the emails are going to be sent. And if the form wasn't sent in, then the issue is probably from here. So here you will need to click on Webflow. And as you can see, you will need to add here a sub email. So email form or a submission form. So here you can change this email notification and basically add here your email, your own email. So here do not leave it as no reply Webflow, but keep it as your email, which is preferably, since sometimes this is where the email is going to be sent from your client and it is not your email. It's literally the robot Webflow mail, so it will not be received by you. So make sure to always check the configuration, and there is this website that explains to you exactly how you can add the form with all the details about it in configuration, which is a good thing to know. If your site was based on forms, then this is something that you really need to read and to understand so you can apply it on your site. And yeah, just simply a few clicks, you solve your solution, you solve your problem. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in next upcoming videos.